Hello, today I'd like to talk about double happiness, 喜, 喜, which is originated from Chinese culture. So this character consists of two identical characters, which is also called 喜. For those who've watched the other video of mine, 喜欢, 喜欢, which means like. The first character 喜 is actually this one. So double happiness usually, this character usually can be seen in wedding events, which means that both the bride and the groom, both families are enjoying the same happiness. Therefore, we write this character she this way. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. So please check out other videos as well. See you.